G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School down here. Many people have been commenting about the amount of content that we're flooding the airwaves with. Well, it's thanks to a lot of people behind the scenes, Madeline behind the camera, Frank who holds the camera, and our sponsors allow us to do this. And this episode is sponsored by Green Mountain Flavors. Stan and Laura and everybody at Green Mountain Flavors, they specialize in extracts and colors that are all natural. You can use them for ice cream, you can use them for sorbets, water ice products. greenmountainflavors.com. The link is down here, and we thank very much Stan Sitten and all the crew there at Green Mountain Flavors for their episode sponsorship. Now in this session I do want to talk to you a little bit about this bucket. It's probably the most used bucket in the ice cream industry. It's a row pack 3-gallon bucket. Now, a lot of people are of the opinion, and a lot of people reuse this bucket over and over and over again. They're relatively robust. Most distributors sell them. Should you be reusing them? Well, the federal standard kind of says that if a bucket has a right angle, and I know what you're saying, well, Steve, it's a round bucket. How can it have a right angle? Well, where the side wall of the bucket meets the floor of the bucket is that right angle. Now, technically, if there is a right angle there, then this bucket should not be used more than once. So I'm kind of throwing this bucket around. I think it's hitting the mic, but that's fine. We're going to forge onward. I don't think anyone's going to come into your store and say, hey, are you reusing these buckets? A lot of people who have catering customers actually get these back. They wash, rinse, sanitize them. The only reason I'm bringing it up in this particular video is because people have asked. They ask, they drop us emails, they leave comments down in the sections below. Hey, I heard about these buckets not being reusable. Do you go to the health department and say, well, I heard that this bucket wasn't reusable? If you heard that, you're basically saying, well, you know, we're doing something we shouldn't be doing. And there are different levels of mandates and regulations so far as federal, state, county and local, and so if you want peace of mind, if you want pizza, what was that TikTok? Pizza, what was it? Rest in pizza. If you want peace of mind, you might want to go to your local health department. It might be the state agricultural department and say, look, can I reuse this bucket? Many people do. It's the staple of the US ice cream industry, but you do need to make sure that things are legal in your particular area. And generally speaking, as a general overall rule, if a bucket does have a right angle where the side wall hits the bottom, then technically it shouldn't be reused. And the reason why that is because you can't get a scoop in and around the bottom of the bucket to basically take an even portion off. When they are designing ice cream shops and a lot of your local food manufacturing facilities, they call them Cove stripping. It's where basically the wall meets the floor. There's a strip or a silicone bead that allows the floor to not meet the wall at a right angle. It kind of comes down as a curve, and that's what you need for buckets as well. Look, it's food for thought. Interested in your comments. I know we'll probably get lots of comments that say, well, you've been reusing these for years, and that's fine. But there is whispers out there that, well, it's not really right. Anyway, interested in your comments, and let us know what you do. We love hearing from all of our viewers. You can drop us a line, like info@scoopschool.com, but we love to hear comments. We love to respond to comments, and we love thanking our sponsors. Thank you for Green Mountain Flavors for sponsoring this. And look, if you have a burning question about buckets, about lids, about machines, about mix, about anything to do with the ice cream industry, drop us a line, info@scoopschool.com, or leave a message down here. We do require you to give us a thumbs up or press like. I do also require you, we didn't mention this at the beginning of the video, and I kind of feel as though we're a little bit shonky in asking, but we do love subscribers. So look, click on subscribe, hit the notification, and every time we put content out, you'll get a little notification. Thanks for joining us. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.